Welcome to this video. Today we are discuss in this video basic general knowledge question about China. China is a very big country in the world. Now let's start this video. Question number 1. What is the official name of China? People Republic of China. Question number 2. What is the name of capital city of China? The capital city of China is Beijing. Question number 3. What is the national language of China? The correct answer is Mandarin Putonghua. Question number 4. How many provinces are there in China? 23 provinces in China. Question number 5. What is the national animal of China? Giant panda. Question number 6. What is the name of largest city of China? The correct answer is Shanghai is the largest city of China. Question number 7. Which is the color of Chinese flag? Red, yellow. Question number 8. What is the name of national flower of China? Plum blossom. Question number 9. What is the name of national bird of China? The correct answer is red-crowned crane. Question number 10. What is the name of currency of China? Answer is Yuan is the currency name of China. Thank you for watching.